Hey, if you've been thinking about getting into yoga, but you're not sure whether to roll out your mat at home or take it outside, this video's for you. We're diving into the pros and cons of outdoor yoga versus home yoga, so you can figure out which one fits your vibe, your lifestyle, and your goals. Let's start with home yoga. One of the biggest perks? Convenience. You can do it anytime. Early morning, post-lunch, midnight, your mat, your rules. No need to worry about the weather or rushing to a class. Also, for beginners, home is a judgment-free zone. You can fumble your way through a pose, pause the video, rewind. Nobody's watching, no pressure. Plus, tons of free YouTube tutorials and apps out there to guide you at your own pace. But home yoga comes with distractions. Your phone buzzes, your dog wants to play, and suddenly you're cleaning your room instead of doing your sun salutations. And let's be honest, motivation can be a struggle. Now, let's talk outdoor yoga. Yoga under open skies? Yeah, it hits different. Nature becomes your soundtrack. Birds, breeze, maybe even a sunrise if you're feeling extra. It's grounding, energizing, and has this way of making you feel connected to nature, to your breath, to the moment. But outdoor yoga comes with its quirks. Bugs, uneven ground, curious onlookers, and yeah, the weather can totally mess with your flow. So, which one's better? Honestly, it depends on what you need today. If you're starting out and want to build consistency, home yoga might be the easiest on-ramp. It's low stress, super flexible, and perfect for experimenting with different styles. But if you're craving a mood boost or need to shake up your routine, stepping outside can totally re-energize your practice. And hey, you don't have to choose. You can mix it up. Yoga is about balance, right? So whether you're practicing with the sunrise in your backyard or stretching in your living room in pajamas, the most important thing is that you're showing up for yourself. Let me know in the comments, are you team home yoga, team outdoor yoga, or a bit of both? And if you found this helpful, give it a like, maybe even subscribe. I've got more beginner-friendly wellness videos coming your way. Catch you in the next one. Namaste.